The crew, nigga, what's up?
That's
just ain't gonna be like,
different.
What you mean? That's what I was doing.
No. He's
That's
like,
what I was doing.
When you record niggas rapping and then recording them on SoundCloud and putting it out.
Well, okay,
that's different.
That wasn't recorded.
That was just like he recorded us rapping.
No, I'm saying
now you can record me rapping. I don't give a fuck. I'll talk about how Servan's a fucking dickhole and that nigga ain't sick. And the bitch that think he is probably got AIDS and she probably a sick hoe. Not you though. But you just happen to be sitting right beside this whole nigga.
This nigga right here.
Hey.
God.
We ain't recording any of
This
this.
cannot be no some shit.
Alright, so
These are just straight like
Cypher.
fuck it.
I mean, record a Cypher. I think you should record a Cypher.
I ain't gonna sit here and try and rap and try and record.
No, I can play it all the way through.
That's how I can do that shit.
You're being recorded right now, dumbass.
Someone should be
Your
doing
titties
it.
leak.
You're being recorded right here.
Servan, your ass should be the one.
Right here.
Now he got the camera. You feel like a good nigga.
I'm telling you.
You ain't no hood nigga. You just a fucking faggot. You might as well be in a Ku Klux fan with a hood nigga.
He ain't rapping. He ain't rapping. He ain't rapping. But we be trapping.
You don't be trapping. He got 27s in his pocket. No,
Yo, I'm a fucking cracker.
Nah, fuck that. I want Ryan to go first. I don't want
I'm
him
gonna be talking to you.
Actually, I want to go first and let him.
I'm rapping about the drugs. Fuck the ratchets and the snubs. I'm ratchet looks like magic with the thugs. Still I took a stab and it was slugs.
Oh!
Why would you talking about the bullet when I'm trying to push it halfway through your lungs? Everybody's busy bagging up the buds, but the badges work like bastards always bagging like fuck that. I crush paps, tall boys, hop gas, then I bust raps. Get rushed fast when they put the dust raps. Fuck it, whatever, motherfucker. Go ahead and rap about your stupid ass shit. Talking about T-Nuts and suck your fucking dick, but you probably rap just like the motherfucker did when he was a kid. Prodigy.
Probably because I was a kid. Probably because the nigga's older than I was. And he fucking did. Fucking did. But I'm back at you. And I'm still coming like a kid. And you talking about me? You can cock this and step this. Your shirt say fly flip.
You can come back at me, you a bathroom man. I step on you when I'm taking a piss and probably shat on your toilet.
Niggas talking about they need toilets. Nigga, I'm about to spoil it. This nigga got a shirt on and some flip flops. Nigga, what you talking about doing it? You ain't doing nothing with a nigga that's spitting about money. Nigga, you think you funny, but you not. This nigga got khakis on with Sperry's in the top. It's great, nigga. You not hot. None of your shit fucking match. And if a nigga was talking about things on your face, nigga, you was scratched. You look like X-Men or the nigga Wolverine, whatever his name was. That nigga still had fucking peens on his face. Faggot. I love you, nigga. Oh, that shit. That was great. You gotta go off with it. You didn't really have anything. You can't really talk shit.
That's the point.
Like, you don't have much to work on, nigga. You did. You did. Khakis and the Sperry's. Like, what can you say?
Right.
Oh, so everybody scared? What's going on?
Nigga, I'll take it.
Oh, shit.
Of course you will.
Alright, that's exactly what I'm on.
You got it? You got it? I got 5 niggas in the room talking about they wanna fucking rap.
Watch the court.
It ain't nowhere near December 25th, but still I'm gonna fucking rap. Present for these fucking niggas. A real nigga counting tickets. A real nigga pulling triggers. Even if he's not, he got real niggas that's fucking quicker with the fucking trigger. That means they gon' squeeze the 45 on anybody that think they fucking live. Cause if you think you fucking live when you swear to God, you're gonna die.
Okay. But this is how you sound when your brain's on drugs. Quarter pound, 40 strains and nugs. Cocaine is for thugs. I take tabs by the page. What's up? You should read more, you straight edge slut. Hey girl, I crave a nut and I heard you like to rave and such. So take this cup. Some. Got a bullet on your shirt, but you ain't shooting shit. Woo! You ain't got a gun. You ain't got a full gun. Some. You some fucking nothing. Team makes me stunting on these dumb bucks. I just pull up these blunts. They don't know what is happening when I'm rapping. They be like, oh God, I kill it. I hold this shit like I'm a cancer patient. There's my fucking medicine. You know, I got it in the fucking bag. Plus I got the Swayze got a bucket, chilling in the bucket. Now you know I got an 8 ball, probably got it tucking in my balls right now. Don't want the cops to see me riding around with a blunt of bleezy. Something crazy, I don't freestyle it.
It better been had a line of me and hold threes. And go up a line and fucking take a ski. Take a couple of lines and bring it down easy.
How long can this shit keep on going?
You can loop it. Loop it.
You got us to recording? How we not?
I feel weird, but I'm just like, I'm not pressing it. Like, we can just press the button and record the whole thing forever.
Yeah.
Just press record.
I just said red.
Oh, you're still doing it.
Yep. So,
Everybody's wrapped out.
I'm not.
Everybody wrapped out. I don't know what's going on. Everybody mellow as fuck. You know what's going on. I still fucking rapping. I say it all the time. I think I'm monster over there. Fucking rhyme. My nigga T-Lux on the beat. I do this all the time when I'm bringing the heat. I stay stretched on the seat. When I'm in my fucking whip. Cause I gotta watch for the heat. And when I lift out Philadelphia. Always sunny in Philadelphia, but I ain't feeling your bro, cause I be out on the shelf, but you ain't fucking pulling me out like CBs. You don't need me, teenage beat. You don't wanna catch me on the mic, cause I'm crazy, but I'm an adolescent, but I'm kinda grown down, though, too, kinda selfish when it comes to the beat, cause I always keep it for me. I don't wanna argue, I be going in like you don't wanna bartend me, cause I get drunk and talk shit. Swayze, you got some shit to say, cause you kinda coming up with your hood on, with your hood on, with your hood on, with your hood on. You gon' catch it with your hood on, with your hood on, hood on.
Let's stay in the closet. That's all that I'm fucking rapping. Anything that I say is snapping off the top of my right. You didn't believe this? 6 other things. But if you ain't about that, you'll probably never see these rings. I'm still out. But I'm still out.
Heisenberg in this bitch and it's Breaking Bad. We going hard, yeah, we make you mad. Cause the niggas in this bitch we gotta have. Nigga, you a has-been, you been had. Shit, but it's past your prime. See me, I'm in my fucking prime. See me, I'm on fucking ABC prime time. Shit, hey nigga, yeah, we keep it live. Fucking ride, we hit South Beach. Shit, nigga, free that nigga Meek. Cause he in jail, yeah, he in the cell. Shit, I know he got the money, he can make bail. Shit, what he can't do, he got a case. But shit, dog, dude, you can keep your fucking face. Shit, I know it's fucking lace. Nigga, no fingerprints, fuck the trace. Fuck my past, you can't see my place. My mind's going off, I'm in another place. Yeah, I'm in space, I'm in the space shuttle. Nigga, bring it in, we can bring the huddle. I got the play for you, dog, we can make a muscle. Don't feel like a dog, break it off. Shit, we got hard, never make it soft. Shit, dead niggas, yeah, we let it off. Huh?
This shit was nice.